welcome to Vlogmas Day 6. So welcome to Dickenson Bay. This is one of Antigua's best beaches. There's a bar in the middle of the island, as you can see, and the beach is pretty quiet. It's pretty low-key. On the opposite side, I believe there's a hotel. I do not remember the name of the hotel, but it could be Sandals. It could be Sandals. Anyways, this beach is pretty much low-key, kind of quiet. There's a lot of patriotic signs here. There's the Antigua flag as a bar. There are people selling on the beach. There's rocks that you can take. There's so much scenery on this beach, and that's why I love to come to this beach. And it's not far from town. It's about 15 minutes away from the center of Antigua, which is called St. John's, and it is very accessible. Straight road all the way down after you exit out of town. So stay tuned and enjoy the view with me. I hope you can feel like you're in the Caribbean. I hope you can feel like you're on the beach while watching this vlog. See ya! Going in there cold. The water is pretty cool for me, so I'm probably just gonna chill right here for a little bit and just catch the vibes, because let me tell you, I don't like the cold. I'm here with my mom, my cousin, and my other cousin, and it's going really well. I'd like to say a good quick dip, because the sun goes down very fast here. The sun probably goes down about quicker than 5, so yeah. The waves are a little bit rough, or the water is a bit rough, so I will probably only wet my feet, because this is not it. The water is crazy rough. Oh, it's getting warmer. It's getting warmer, so I might partake. The sea is very blue and greenish, and it's just really beautiful and surreal. Actually, look at the boats. So it's pretty much white sands, and the water and the sky is very blue. There's a guy behind me, and I feel like he's following me. It's a nice little joint. A nice spot. It's really dark now. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that notification button, because you know what? I will be giving you a new video every single day. Welcome to Vlogmas! All in all, I had a nice dip on the beach for the nighttime, and I loved it. Look at the back, look at the sun. Look at that baby. It's beautiful. All right, see ya. Thanks for watching.